Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across Europe over the next few days. And we've got an area of high pressure across many northern and western areas. That's keeping Atlantic fronts well at bay. We've also got an area of low pressure in the Mediterranean, and that continues to generate showers across Sardinia, Corsica, Italy, through the Adriatic, across into the Balkans, towards Greece and Turkey as well. Meanwhile, some snow is possible across parts of Germany and Poland for a time on Saturday. But it's the eastern Mediterranean which is really seeing some very unsettled conditions, some very heavy showers and thunderstorms across Turkey, Greece, Italy. But as we head further westwards for much of Iberia on Saturday, fine and dry day. Those Atlantic fronts just starting to fringe western parts of Portugal, some northwestern areas of Spain, maybe the odd spot of rain, but it should be mainly dry. Lots of sunshine for western parts of France. Still this cool feel across Scandinavia, the British Isles and the Low Countries with those brisk east or northeasterly winds. We still keep those showers going on Sunday, again across Italy and across towards Greece and Turkey. Could see some areas of snow just working their way southwards into parts of the Alps for a time on Sunday, and a cloudier, cooler, breezier day across the British Isles. But look how things start to warm up in both London and Paris in the week ahead. Temperatures getting into the mid to high teens, quite a difference to what we've got at the moment. That warmth extends into Berlin, staying on the mild side in Moscow, but still quite unsettled for a time in Athens. Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across North America, where we've got some very disturbed weather at the moment, all down to this potent storm system. You can see it here on the earlier satellite picture, this large swirl of cloud. Now on its southern flank, we've had thunderstorms, gusty and in places damaging winds, then a fine line between rain and freezing rain, and then we've had the snow and blizzards, 27 inches of snow across the higher ground of Wyoming. It continues to pull away north and eastwards away from the Great Lakes into Manitoba, Ontario, eventually into Quebec. Then on its southern flank, more gusty winds and thunderstorms pushing its way towards the eastern seaboard. Across to the Pacific Northwest, where for much of British Columbia on Friday, it's fine with some spells of sunshine, but we need to pick out the potential for some significant snow across parts of the Rockies and the Cascades, 6 to 10 inches in places. Across much of California, a fine dry day on Friday with plenty of sunshine, which will keep in San Francisco and Los Angeles over the coming days. Some wetter weather in Vancouver and Seattle on Saturday, giving way to sunny spells and a few showers. But it's all going on further east. You can see the extent of the thunderstorms, strong and gusty winds down the eastern seaboard. Further north, it'll be snow and blizzards pulling away eventually into Quebec as we go through Saturday and Sunday. But some really strong squally winds that raises the fire risk actually across parts of Texas and New Mexico. So things sounding much more unsettled in Montreal and New York. Should say mainly dry though in Miami. Bye-bye. Hello, the forecast for Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean coming up in just a moment's time. First to South America, let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. This large area of cloud delivering more wet, windy and also wintry weather to southern parts of Chile. Then we've got our rash of showers through many central, northern and western parts of Brazil, just fringing Peru, Bolivia, some southern parts of Colombia as well. Frequent showers here, thunderstorms as well. In between, some bright or sunny spells, and the extent of the showers extends its way across to northeastern parts of Brazil. For now, things are mainly dry in Rio, but keeping an eye on developments offshore, because we could see those showers returning, heavy showers as we head through Sunday and into Monday. A lot of dry weather across much of Argentina. As we head further south into southern areas of Chile, rain at lower levels, but further mountain snow. So it looks like Rio will start to see a return of those showers, heavy and thundery through Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. A good deal of sunshine in Buenos Aires, but punctuated by some rain for a time early next week. Across to Mexico, where for most it's a fine dry day on Saturday, plenty of sunshine, a few sharp showers as we work our way down towards Costa Rica and Panama. Still the chance of some showers for the eastern side of Cuba and maybe for parts of Hispaniola as well. But in between, a good deal of sunshine for many. A lot of sunshine in the forecast for Kingston, San Salvador and San Jose, but showers never too far away from Havana. Bye-bye. Hello, the potential for more thunderstorms and torrential rain across parts of the Middle East. We'll look at the forecast there in just a moment's time. First to Africa, let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. These large areas of cloud giving a good indication where some of the heaviest rainfall has been in the last 24 hours. Our seasonal rains a little bit further southwards than we normally expect, and also starting to see some outbreaks of rain arriving into the Western Cape. So Cape Town seeing some spells of rain for a time later on Saturday and then into Sunday. As that clears, we'll see some sunshine returning in Cape Town, although temperatures just down a notch compared to recently. Lots of sunshine in Dakar, Johannesburg, mainly dry, some rain here by the time we get to Tuesday. Further north across Africa, the heat continues in Khartoum. Lots of sunshine here. Stays dry in Casablanca, Kinshasa and Lusaka. Like to see some rain at times over the coming days. Now you can see where all the activity is in the Middle East through the Persian Gulf. Thunderstorms, torrential rain affecting parts of Saudi Arabia. We've got an area of low pressure in the Arabian Sea, so generating some strong and gusty winds and squally winds associated with these showers, which will then be pulling away eastwards through into Iran and Afghanistan. Likely that we could see some severe flooding in places. Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh, Kuwait, all like to see some showers, but as they clear, the sunshine returning. Hello, let's take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia, where we still have a number of yellow severe weather warnings for thunderstorms and strong and gusty winds. Here's the earlier satellite picture. So you can see where these thunderstorms have been developing, quite well scattered, but where they do form, they bring a lot of rain in a short amount of time and some squally winds associated with those as well. As we look ahead to Saturday, the main risk of seeing these thunderstorms is across some northern and northeastern states, really from Orissa across to Kerala and Karnataka. So it's this zone here which could just catch a thunderstorm. For many, dry, plenty of sunshine, but again further showers likely as we head further northwards, working their way eastwards out of the Caspian Sea into parts of Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, into northern and eastern parts of Pakistan. Could well see some snow developing as we head towards the Himalayas into Jammu and Kashmir. Good deal of sunshine, I suspect, for many on Saturday. As I mentioned, just one or two of these scattered thunderstorms. You'll know all about it if you catch one, because as I mentioned, it will bring a lot of rain in just a short amount of time. As we work our way further north and eastwards into Orissa and eventually into Bangladesh, chance here as well, we could see some of those thunderstorms developing on Saturday. Mumbai should be mainly dry over the coming days. Lots of sunshine here. Colombo, always at risk of catching a sharp and sudden thunderstorm. In Tashkent, the warmth will be replaced by something cooler and wetter for a time. The sunshine continues in Karachi. Hello, there's a lot of fine dry weather in the forecast for Australia and New Zealand as we look ahead to Saturday. More on that in just a moment. First to the Asia-Pacific region. Let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. I want to draw your attention to this area of cloud here across southern parts of China. It's been bringing some very heavy rain and severe flooding across some southern provinces, and there's more to come as we head through Saturday. High pressure across Japan keeps things fine and settled for now, but some rain likely to return here and also into parts of the Korean Peninsula by the time we get to Sunday. But you can see the extent of this rain and thunderstorms across southern parts of China on Saturday. Scattering of showers through parts of Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos for much of Indochina, mainly dry on Saturday, but a whole rash of showers continuing for Malaysia and Indonesia. Good deal of sunshine continuing in Osaka. I'd like to see some rain here for a time on Sunday. Similar story in Seoul. A cool, cloudy, drizzly day on Sunday. Plenty of sunshine either side. Across to Australia, where Saturday for most will be dry with plenty of sunshine. A few showers for Western Australia. The showers now moving away from New South Wales and Victoria. Could catch one or two showers across the far north of the North Island on Saturday. They will be pulling away. Chance at the South Island just picking up one or two later in the day. But for much of New Zealand, some fine conditions on Saturday. Wellington wouldn't want to rule out a few showers in the days ahead, but mainly dry here, but cooler with some rain in Perth.